Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gurpreet, MSK and Ortho Physiotherapist, NXT Physiotech, Karimnagar. A patient with supraspinatus tear usually comes to us complaining of shoulder pain, especially lifting the arm to the side or overhead. Many people notice weakness, difficulty for reaching objects on the shelf, pain at night while sleeping on the affected side, and even inability to lift an arm after an injury. When the supraspinatus tendon tears, it's just not the tendon that is affected, the muscle also starts to change. The three important changes that occur in muscle. The first is muscle atrophy, where the muscle becomes smaller because it is no longer under normal tension. Second is fatty infiltration, where fat gradually replaces with normal muscle fibers. Once it is advanced, it is difficult to reverse even after surgery. Third is muscle retraction, where muscle and tendon shorten over time, making the tendon harder to bring back to its normal position during the surgery. A chronic tear is always challenging than the recent one. That's why surgeons always consider how old the tear is before deciding the treatment. Talking about the rehab after surgery. During first 6 weeks, the repair is fragile, so the shoulder is protected in the sling and only passive movements are allowed. Between 6 and 12 weeks, the healing tissue becomes stronger, so we gradually introduce active assisted and active movements. From 3 to 6 months, strengthening exercises begin to rebuild rotator cuff and shoulder muscles that became weaker during immobilization. Finally, 6 to 12 months, patient can return to normal activity, overhead activity, sports, and higher level of strengthening. The key to successful outcome is the right balance. If the rehabilitation is too aggressive in the early stage, the repaired tendon can tear again. If rehabilitation is delayed, the shoulder becomes stiff and muscles lose strength. That's why a structured physiotherapy program is just as important as surgery itself for achieving the best possible recovery. For detailed evaluation, physiotherapy rehabilitation, post-operative physiotherapy for shoulder and other orthopedic conditions, feel free to visit NXT Physiotech, Karimnagar. Our team is here to guide you through every stage of your recovery with evidence-based treatment and individualized care. NXT Physiotech, Karimnagar, passion for transformation.